Welcome everybody to Kagan Bayou. This is going into our fourth day of Hurricane Harvey. It started Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and the day is Monday. And as you can see right now, Kagan Bayou have went down considerably a lot. This is the lowest it have been since the hurricane started. Now, as you can see, that big container over there, see now it's got water flowing out of it. The reason why that is important because that right there takes the water off the streets here in Southwest Houston, especially out there off of 59 and West Belford where it floods so bad. Now some of that water can get to the bayou now. At first it couldn't get to the bayou because the water had covered it up. So therefore it was just backing up. So when it backs up, all that water comes all the way up on 59 in West Belford. But now as you can see, this is the lowest it have been since this hurricane started. Now what I'm trying to explain to a lot of people that what I do is document it because I feel like this is important for people to know. I know the news station is showing you all the negative things. They're showing some good things too, do not get me wrong. But things like this, they really don't have a lot of time to come out here and show you. But I got the time, I don't mind doing it. Plus, this is what I enjoy doing, helping people. People know Boo Lee will tell you that's all he do is help people. I don't ask for nothing in return, but a little appreciation, and some people do it and some people don't. But that's you know, it's a numbers game. I mean, I'm not gonna reach everybody. I'm not gonna make everybody happy. But I learned from Pastor Joel Osteen, some people you just got to write off and leave them alone and move on. And through the grace of God, that's what I'm doing because some people watches this video. Because some people say, yeah, this guy is making a lot of sense. Okay, now, what this does now for everybody else that up and down the south side of Houston who depends on Brays Bayou, and that's everybody, including the medical center, is that except downtown Houston. Downtown Houston, them, and they depend on the Buffalo Bayou. But Brays Bayou right here is flowing down, so when it flows down, it's a relief because now it's not pushing all that water into Brays Bayou. And all the people that are living on Braeswood, West University, Harlem Clark, 3rd Ward, now they water can get a chance to get to the Brays Bayou and flow the water out of their community and get a chance to get in the Brays Bayou and have the water to go all the way through. And the people on McGregor, it's gonna be a slow process. It ain't gonna happen like you see it now. Now because they got too much water have backed up down 288. It's too much water down there. Too much water down Sims Bayou is down there. Now it can breathe. Now Sims Bayou, which consists of Sunnyside, South Park, and Harlem Clark, now it can get a chance to get into the Brays Bayou now. It can flow. Because why? This Kagan Bayou ain't filling up the Brays Bayou, as you can see. And this is what, and I'll take you around and let you see the rest of it and see how far it came down. Because all of this water come from Brazos River, Sugar Land, Stafford, Mo City, and right here where I'm at. As you can see, Kagan Bayou have went down considerably a lot. As you can see, this property is the city of West University Place. No trespassing, and I will not trespass and break the law. But yes, that's who control these bayous. The city of West University Place. They are the ones who remodeled that bayou down there in West University and over there by the medical center. They also has this property here at Kagan Bayou is part of the city of West University. And it says no trespassing, violators will be prosecuted. I am not going to disobey the law. Now that's a fact. I don't want to be at 701 Sanya Center. Been there, done that. So what I would do is show you where the water is coming from Sugar Land. I cannot go any further because then I would be trespassing. And I'm not doing breaking the law. But that's the water coming on flowing. It's flowing on down, all the way down. As you can see how low it is now. This lower it have been since the storm of Hurricane Harvey been here. As we take you right on through it. See how low the banks are right now? Look at it. It's very low. So it can stand some more water. I hope we don't get any more, but we can stand some more, but hope we don't get any more. So therefore, some of the pressure that's over there on Brays Bayou and the water that's flooded up over there, it can get a chance to drain now down Brays Bayou and can free the people in the neighborhood in Braeswood, all the way up to West University, all the way up to 3rd Ward, and even South Park, Sunnyside, and Harlem Clark, because now Sims Bayou can be able to bring some of that water and put in the Brays Bayou. But at first it could not because the Brays Bayou was stuck. So all it was doing was backing the water up, and when it backs it up, the water goes into the people's houses and into the people's neighborhood. Now that's the real deal. As you remember when we did the video the last time, all of this was underwater. As you can see, it have drained down, and a lot of that water had been gone. Most of that water was gone yesterday. And now since the bayou, Kagan Bayou, went down to considerably a lot, now it's taking the relief off of people outside of this neighborhood, which would be over there on the other side of Fondren, Gessner, going back towards the medical center. Then also give a relief to people that lives out there on the other side of 59 and Belfort, which would include Willcrest, Kirkwood, all the way to Dairy Ashford, really all the way to Highway 6. Now it is giving this time for that water to come in and circulate. And as you've seen, this is the neighborhood, how it look right now. It have went down considerably a lot. You can see some of the parts of where the water had got up here to the sidewalk. But now it have went down, and we ready for day number 4, which today is Monday, August 28th. And we ready for some more of Hurricane Harvey as we go through to let you see how far that this Kagan Bayou had went down. So when Kagan Bayou go down, that means Brays Bayou fit to get a sign of relief. As you can see, that big drainage there is taking the water off the streets. And now the streets are beginning to be empty now, because now the water from Brazos River and Sugar Land is not covering it up no more. So the water can drain off the street and come through this sewage line and get off the street and get into Kagan Bayou and let Kagan Bayou take it down there to Brays Bayou. I think you wanted to know this, of why Highway 59 and Belfort always go underwater. Because right there, as you can see, that be flooded over, and therefore the water cannot flow down Brays Bayou. All it can do is back up. And when it back up, it's backing up into the streets and the people neighborhood on West Belfort and Highway 59 Southwest Freeway.